You're watching Listed Live, where we give you a guided tour of the hottest homes for sale in San Diego. And with me next is Eric Edelman.
Hi.
Welcome in today.
Thank you.
You're back again.
Yes, I'm back again.
And this time with Fisher's Place.
Yes, Fisher's Place.
So excited to talk about.
Indeed.
Let's get into it.
Awesome. So yeah, this is a great 4-bedroom, 4-bath home. It's in Harmony Grove Village, which is newest master plan community up in the Escondido area.
Awesome. Look at that backyard.
Yeah, it's got a great little backyard, and what you're looking at now is called a California room. It's an outdoor living space with a ceiling fan.
So we have a room named after us now.
Yes.
How cool is that?
It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. It looks like we have access to basketball courts, parks.
Absolutely, yeah. Harmony Grove Village, again, it's the newest master plan community up in Escondido, and there are parks, large parks. There's pocket parks, dog parks, tennis, swimming, all sorts of amenities out there. So it's a great community.
Definitely, for family especially.
If I had to draw a comparison, I'd say it's a lot like Forest Ranch.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good comparison.
Yeah.
I like it. Let's dive inside.
Except not nearly as expensive as Forest Ranch.
No, this price point is incredible.
It is.
For all that you're getting.
Oh, you get yeah, it's an amazing value for the price.
Definitely.
This home, it was built in 2017. You've got great.
Fairly new.
Yeah, absolutely. You've got great, large, light, bright kitchen with quartz countertops, and white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Large dining area there.
Yeah.
And
very open.
Yeah, it's an extremely open living area. And
get a look there too.
Yeah, and that living room is just off the kitchen, so you can definitely. It's got a great flow to it. And
Definitely.
There's one of the bedrooms and full bath downstairs as well, which is awesome.
Oh, how great.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we have some, multi-generational possibilities.
Certainly, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and definitely it's a great space for visitors, or again, if you
Oh,
have
good point, yeah.
a grandparent living with you, or
For sure.
a mom or dad or whoever.
Let's get into the master bedroom. So this must be upstairs?
Yeah, upstairs, master bedroom, large master bedroom, walk-in closet, huge master bath as well. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, again with the nice bright LED lighting.
Yeah, I was just going to make a comment about just how bright this home is.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so clean and just up to date.
It is super clean, yes.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a move-in ready home with all the amenities, this is definitely.
Did you say the key word, move-in ready?
Move-in ready.
Oh my God.
Or turnkey, that's another word we like to.
I love it.
Yeah.
Awesome. And here's a look at one of the other bedrooms.
Yeah, this is it's another upstairs guest bedroom, and also upstairs there's sort of a loft, could be a kid's playroom, could be a man cave, movie room,
whatever you want.
It's very, very versatile, yes.
Awesome. Well, is there anything else you want to share with us about this home?
Well, this place is, again, it's move-in ready. We're ready to show it. So if anybody wants to see it, any buyers out there want to give me a call, I'd be happy to get them in there.
Numbers on the screen.
Numbers on the screen.
Let's go, people.
And if there's any agents watching, give me a call. It's easy to show.
Definitely. Well, thank you so much for being here
You're
today,
welcome.
Eric. We'll see you next time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was Eric Edelman with Fisher's Place in Escondido. This is in the newest master planned community. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. You got a California room in the backyard. Amazing price point for this home. You're close to parks, basketball courts, dog parks. Very open floor plan, light and bright inside. You got a full bed and bath downstairs, so you have some opportunities there for multi-generational living, walk-in closet in the master bedroom, and you have a loft upstairs as well. Lots of space in this home. If you'd like to get a look at this home, you can use the information on your screen by calling Eric. You're watching Listed Live, where we give you a guided tour of the hottest homes for sale in San Diego.